water treatment plant inaugurated in the Tirupati. Water treatment plant inaugurate हुआ है तो why this is the so important? Because they are using a new technology known as the phytoid technology. This plant is using a new technology known as the phytoid technology. Specifically, this technology related to the environment because they are using the environmental field. We can also say that the grass field for the water clearance. We can see the mechanism first, then we will understand what is technology all about. So here is the sewage chamber from where the water can come, and this is the phytoid bed जहाँ पे major types के बड़े बड़े stones होते हैं या फिर अलग टाइप के जो रोड बनाने के लिए यूज होता है. They are can be the use in this field. And इसके ऊपर environmental like agriculture cultivations भी होता है, some grasslands भी होते हैं. So the water can pass through this field and the treated we can receive the treated water on the other side. When the water is passing through this field, almost all the solid component of the water are removed from the drainage water. So this technology is known as the phytoid technology. The which type of the question can come in the paper? They are just given the technology, like the biorock technology. They give just one. So phytoid bed में mainly they are giving a question like this technology was recently mentioned in the news. It is related to, because there is no name given that this is related to the water treatment. So it's just only we need to know this technology mainly related to. Then after the treated water tank, it's gone to the sand filter, then the activated carbon filters, then the ozonation system, and then finally the clear water. बाकी जो RO system का process होता है clearance of water के लिए, other process are the same, but here is the difference where this phytoid technology are used for the clearance of the water. तो रिसेंटली ये प्लांट लगा है वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट जिसमें इस टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज हो रहा है. तो एज पर द यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन दिस टेक्नोलॉजी बिकम द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फॉर द लाइक एग्जामिनेशन की डायरेक्ट चांसेस हैं दे कैन आस्क अबाउट दिस टेक्नोलॉजी. नो गंदा पानी वो जो भी सॉलिड सेडिमेंट होगा वो नीचे बैठ जाएगा और बाकी इसमें भी ग्रास लैंड भी हो सकता है, कोई पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक क्रॉप्स भी हो सकते हैं, तो कोई एनवायरमेंटल फील्ड भी हो सकता है. तो कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक नहीं है कि यही क्रॉप होगा, कुछ भी हो सकता है. दे आर जस्ट फूड क्रॉप्स हो सकते हैं. So the technology is a self-sustainable technology for the wastewater treatment that work on the principle of the natural wetlands. जो natural wetlands का concept है, जो like रामसर वाली field में भी recognize है, रामसर conventions में भी recognize है, उन wetlands का use करना for the treatment of the water. So this technology are using those wetlands, also some of the other man-made wetland also that can be used in this technology. This technology involve the treatment of the wastewater under a sedimentation process to eliminate the solid matter. After which the water is made flow in a serpentine motion. जहां पे आप we will look into it कि जहां after the clearance of the water it's moved in a serpentine motion. एक single direction में नहीं जा रहा है. It moving the up and down, up and down. So the technology can work much better than the simple technology. So this was all about this phytoid technology. So before going to the next topic, the relevance we need to know. If we are reading any topics, it should be clear how the question can be asked. तो इसमें ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लगाना, यू जस्ट नीड टू नो व्हाट टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल अबाउट और कैसे कैसे यूज हो रहा है इस टेक्नोलॉजी का.